We are trying to store integer value in string variable. Is it possible?
No.
Throws the error. We cannot convert into string. So to make it possible, we need to do typecasting. We need to convert this a variable to string. Okay. So this is called as typecasting, and we are converting a value type to reference type is known as boxing. Is it clear?
Yes, value type to reference type is called boxing. Okay.
I'm moving to next concept, unboxing. So what is unboxing? Just vice versa of boxing, converting reference types to
Value types.
see string s equal to what I given number some 10. Okay.
Okay.
If I stored int a equal to s, again it throws the error. So what do I need? Again, this is I need to convert to integer.
It's typecasting. So
Yeah, typecasting. Then we can say it is unboxing because we are converting a reference variable to a value type, integer.
okay. Okay.
So this is unboxing. Is it clear?
Yes.
So till this, we done the topic data types. So
Okay.
all the data types are clear, right?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So next I move with the other topic, class versus object.
Okay.
Before moving to programming concepts, first of all, we need to understand what is class, what is method, how can I call the methods. All these steps we need to know. What is the structure of a program? What is the structure of C# programs? So all these things we should know. Then only we can move with the practical program. Okay. Coming to class, what is class? Class is a collection of variables, methods, properties, constructors, etc. See, let me draw a simple picture for the class definition. See, this is the class. Here we can write variables, we can write properties, and also we can write methods, constructors. See, at this point we know only variables. We declared any number of variables till now, but we are not aware of all these concepts, right?
Okay.
Moving forward, we are going to learn one by one. Let me draw syntax, simple syntax to write the class. Class, we need to write class name. Class name is user defined. You can give any name to your class. And
Okay.
here you can write statements. See, let me take one example. See, class. I'm writing as it is, and class name is user defined. I'm giving my class name is example. Okay, this is the class name, and as I explained, it's a collection of variables, methods, properties, and constructors. Yeah. At this point, we know only variables, so let me declare a variable like this int equal to 10. So this is a class. See, what is method then? See, let me write. See, in C we have the functions. Here, the functions is also called as methods. So, access, specifier, return type, method name, and here parameters. Parameters are optional, and also access specifiers are also optional. So, coming to access specifier, in C language we have the access specifier. What are those? Public, private, protected, right? In the same way, in C# also we have the access specifiers. Those are public, private, protected, internal, protected, internal. So these are the 5 access specifiers available in the .NET. What is public? See, we can use this public access specifier throughout the application wherever we need, and also outside the application also we can use this public access specifier. Where can we use private? See, if you declare a private a variable within the method, the scope will be within the brace only. Suppose you declared within the class, then the scope of the private variable is within that class. We cannot expose private variable to outside the class. What is protected? Protected we can use in itself, in same class itself wherever you declare, and also we can use in child classes. Coming to internal, you can use internal throughout your application wherever you need, but outside the application you cannot access this internal access specifier. And coming to protected internal, this protected internal you can use throughout your application, but outside also you can use in child classes. Outside the application you can use it in child classes. So these are the different scopes of access specifier. As per your requirement, you can use any one of the access specifier. So these are the access specifiers, and these access specifiers are optional. If you don't write the access specifier for a method, then also it's okay. By default, it will going to take private access specifier if we did not mention any access specifier. So this is the default access specifier. And return type. See, from your method, you can return any data. We have n number of data types like integer, float, double, decimal, long, bool, byte. So any type of data you can return from your method. Suppose you don't want to return any data from your method, then default return type is void. Void is the default return type. Okay. And method name is user defined. You can give any name to your method. And next is parameters. These parameters are also optional. If you want to pass any parameters like string s, int a, comma b, like this, if you want to pass the parameters, you can pass it, or else it is optional to pass. Okay. So this is the signature. Let me take one example. What we can take. So first of all, access specifier, let me take public. Next what it is? Return type.
Return type.
I don't want to return any data from my method, so I'm taking void as the default return type. Okay, void. And method name can be any name you can give. Suppose I'm taking method name as employee is my method name. Employee. Okay, and parameters are optional. See, present I'm not passing any parameters because these are optional. So this is the method. This is the method. Suppose if you want to pass the parameter, just you can pass like anything, string s. This is the optional parameters. Okay. Suppose if you don't write this public access specifier, then by default it is a private method.
Okay.
Okay. Let me give one more example. I'm taking public as the access specifier. I want to return some data from my method. I want to return integer type data. Then employee method. See here we need to pass integer value. See, int, what we can do, int employee ID equal to 101. I want to return this employee ID. Return emp ID.
So here int is a return type, right?
Yeah, int is a return type, so we are returning integer data.
Okay.
Getting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Suppose if it is a string return type you are giving, then how you can write public string employee. You can return string s equal to hello and return yes. Why yes? Because the return type is string. See, here return type we given as a string, so we are returning string type data. Clear? Any doubts in this?
No.
Method is clear. Here you can write any optional parameters, whatever you want. It's optional. And this is also optional. If you remove it also, it's fine. Okay, got it? Okay. See, go to class definition, what I explained for a class. Class is a collection of variables. Forget about this. At this point of time, we know variables and methods. Now write a class, how you can write? See, what I can do, I'll copy one method from here and I can keep in a class. So this is the variable name and this is the method name. So this class is a collection of variable and method.
Okay.
Definition here?
So which is a method in this version?
Yeah, class is a collection of variable and method.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is class. Just a second. Okay. Got it? Any doubts in this?
No.
See, next let's see the syntax of our structure of C#. See the programming structure in the sense programming structure. Programming structure. So let me write the syntax. We know now what is class and also we know what is method. Class name and we need to write main method. So access specifier, we know what are the access specifiers available, and this access specifier is optional. There is a always in our programming structure, main method is a static method, and then we can go with the return type, and we should always give the method name as main method, and here also parameters are optional. Okay, so this is the programming structure of C#. Syntax is clear? Any doubts in this?
No.
Let me give an example. See, what is the first one? Class name. Let me give my class name is program. Okay. Next, access specifier. If you write it, it's okay. If you don't write it, then also okay. I'm writing public access specifier. And this should be, main method should be static method. Moving forward, you will going to learn what is static keyword, what is static class, what is static method, what is the use of it, how we can access. All those things we're going to know after completion of few of the sessions. Okay. And return type, I don't want to return anything from the main method, so I given void as the return type, and I'm using main. The name should be main. Parameters are optional. If you want to pass the parameters, you can pass it, or else it would be optional. See, this is the basic programming structure of C# program. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see one simple program. Open the Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio. Okay. First we need to create the project. Just click on File, go to New Project. Project. See Visual Studio. See, we can implement 3 types of application. What are those? Console, Windows, and web applications. So first one, I'm going to show you console. So here, I'm changing my project name as 6:15 a.m. batch. Okay, you can give any name to your project. It's up to you. And location also, wherever you want to store the programs, that location you need to give. See, just choose whatever drive you want and select it. So from this location, it will going to store this project programs. Click on OK. See, this is the default program. It's a startup program. It's generated in console application. See, till this, I think you got it. Let me copy this. So what they are saying, class program. They given that program name, class name as program. You can give any name. Okay, and this access specifier is optional, so they did not mention. And static void main should be M should be capital, and here parameters. These parameters are also optional, so they taken. See here we given string S. S is the variable name. This is the data type. Here they took string array and variable name is args. So this line of code is clear till this. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. And namespace. Namespace is nothing but it's our project name. This project name we can use throughout our programs which are there in our solution. So that it indicates every program binded in console application 6:15 a.m. batch. Okay. And these are called as namespaces. See, in C language we included hash include stdio.h and conio.h. You remember? Due to that we got the predefined methods printf and scanf. Same thing here. To include the libraries, here we need to import those libraries by using keyword. So these are all are called as namespaces. Clear? Programming structure is clear. Should I go to one simple program? Shall we start?
I mean, like, whenever we want to add a namespace, we can add, right? If we are having some
It is a
control.
namespace, we can add it.
Yes.
Yes. These are the default namespaces which have been added to Microsoft by default. But see, moving forward, we're going to learn any number of things. There is a collection topic there. We need to add the namespaces. There is a system.io operations. There we need to add the namespaces. I'll show you everything. Okay, don't worry about it. See, if it is a C program, what is our first program in C? Always we learned printf. Welcome to C programs, C work, right? Same statement I want to print here, but here we don't have printf statement. Here we have the printf statement called console.writeLine. This console.writeLine acts like a printf statement for our console applications. So just type C, see the IntelliSense. So you just type C, all the predefined functionalities which are matching with C started showing in IntelliSense. So what is our class name? Predefined class name console. See. Here it started showing console and C should be capital. If we give C small also, then no worries. From here you can select it. Console. So this console is a predefined class. Let's go there. See, this is a static class console. This console class, are we created now? No, it's already been implemented by Microsoft. We are just consuming this predefined functionality.
Okay.
Here there are n number of properties and they return n number of methods. Okay, so I'm going to use this method writeLine string value. Here we're going to pass one string value. That means console.writeLine acts like a printf statement. So just press the dot. It started showing whatever methods, whatever properties available in the console class. So these are the properties and these are the methods available in the console class. So I need to select writeLine method. So this is called as IntelliSense. So welcome to C#. Okay. Let's execute this program. How we can execute? I want to see this output on the console window. So how we can execute? Just click on this play button, start button. See, have you noticed? One black color screen came and it gone within a fraction of a second. Execute again, notice, see. To hold the screen, we need to write console.read key. This will going to hold that black color screen. See, it holded and we are able to see the output as welcome to C#. Is this clear? Any doubts in this?
Yeah.
Clear. Good. See, let's start one more program. Just I want to print welcome to username. Suppose user enter Sham is a user. He entered into our site, then I want to display welcome Sham. If Ram enters, then I want to display welcome Ram. So I want to create one more program. Just a second. Yeah, let me create one more class in this solution, sorry. Just right click on it, add class. It's a welcome class. So I'm giving the name as welcome.cs. So class is created. Our first step is we need to create the main method. What is the syntax? Public static void main method. Here, what I want to do, first I'm going to declare a variable. There is string variable. For the string variable, I'll assign some name. So string name equal to RAM. Okay. Console.writeLine welcome RAM. Console.read key to hold the screen. You remember in printf statement we have the appending operator, joining operator we used earlier. Plus is there, concatenate operator, it joins this text value and this name value. Got these points? Is this clear? Any doubts? These 3 lines of code?
No.
Yeah. Now what we need to do? Suppose this is the second program in our solution. So to execute the second program, what we need to do, just right click on your project, go to properties. What is it? Welcome. Set the startup page, which program you want to execute. Just save it, execute it. See, we got the output as welcome RAM. See, we got the output welcome RAM. But the problem is, if I execute this program 100 times I can use only one name RAM. I don't want to do that. I want to read this name dynamically. I want to read this name dynamically. How we can read it? See, there is an option to read the data from the keyboard. Console.readline. Console.readline. Readline is a method in console class. So by using this, we can read the name from your keyboard. You can pass any name. Just a second. It is the cursor is waiting to enter the name. I'm entering Sham. See, welcome Sham. Enter any name. Every time you can enter different names. John. Welcome John. See, to understand more clearly, just let me write one more statement. Console.writeLine. Please enter username. Okay, execute this. So please enter username. Tom, welcome to. Got this clear?
Yeah.
So here we learned how to read the data dynamically. This is a new statement here. Okay, and remaining is common program. Let's start one more program, addition of 2 numbers. See, we have seen n number of examples in every language, whatever we are learning. There is a common program, addition of 2 numbers. Add. Let's see. First step is we need to write the main method. Public static void. See how we can write int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to
what is the difference between read line and read key? I mean, both are they both functionalities same? I mean,
See, read key at a time you can read only one character. After reading one character, automatically the program will going to terminate. But read line, you can read like string format, you can read the data by using console.readline. By
Okay,
using
so mostly we use read line only when we are programming, right?
yeah, while doing program, we should use console.readline only. Here you cannot use console.readkey.
Okay.
If you use read key, then we can write only one letter, one character. Okay. So console.writeline addition of two numbers is same. And console.read key to hold the screen. Okay, again I want to execute add class. So go to properties, set the startup page. We're done with add, we're done with welcome. Sorry, program and welcome we're done. Now next program is add. See, what is the output? Addition of two numbers is 30. But instead of reading static data like 10 and 20, I want to read this data dynamically through keyboard. How we can do that? We know. See, in welcome read line. Yes. But here the issue is, see, console.readline. See, this console.readline by default, it returns string data type. Return type is string. See, this was string and this was string. So that we could able to execute this program without any errors. But here we are expecting integer data, but this is returning string.
Typecasting.
Good. We need to do typecasting, but in the document I given like int like this, but it will not going to work.
Okay.
To do the typecasting, we need to use convert class. Convert class contains, there are n number of methods you can convert to any data type, 2 byte, 2 char, 2 date time, decimal, double, int, 16.
We can even also use parse in this, or it's only the convert?
In dot parseInt, but in dot parseInt not at all encourageable. It doesn't handle null values.
Null values, yes.
Go with convert dot to int32. Okay.
Okay.
Convert dot to int32. See, and convert dot to int16 we have, and also 64 we have. See, this is used for short data type. Int32 for integer. Int64 is for long data types. So I'm choosing int32. Okay. Again, do the same thing for B also. Convert dot. Just a second. Convert dot to int32 of console dot read line. See, now we can read the data dynamically. So it's waiting for A value. I'm entering 10. B value 20. Addition of two numbers, 10 plus 20 is 30. If you want to write in more clear way, just include the printf statements. Console dot write line. Please enter A value. Here you can insert one more. Console dot write line. Please enter B value. Execute again. It is asking to enter A value, B value. Addition of two numbers is 35.
Okay.
Any doubts in this?
No.
So here you learn typecasting,
Yes.
right? Okay. See, I'm giving some assignments. Just just write a program to print whether the entered value is even or odd. Suppose you are reading one number, just print whether it is even or odd. And one more program, take two values and just check whether which one is the largest number. Okay, let me show you the course content. This is the course content I'm going to follow. Have you received this course content?
No, we haven't received it.
Okay, I'll share with you.
Can you even share these videos which are you going to record these videos?
Yeah, actually,
Recorded. It's being recorded actually. We just want the recorded videos to be sent.
yeah, I'll inform to Raidu. Raidu will be going to share. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I'll let him know about this.
Yeah. Because he is the person who is recording the sessions.
Yeah, okay.
This doc is stuck out. Okay, we'll show you tomorrow. I have one more class at 8 a.m. So I wanted to show you, but it's stuck out. It may take time. I need to jump into another meeting. Okay, let's wind up the
Tomorrow
session.
we have class.
Yeah, we have the class, but 6:15 a.m. IST. 7 a.m. it would be difficult for me tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you
Okay. Yes, we'll be attending.
Oh yeah, I will. I mean, I will be attending, but if by any chance I miss, I mean, I'll get the recorded video and follow up with your class. Will that be okay?
Yes, it's fine, no issues.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll show you a recording session in tomorrow's session, okay? Sorry, we'll show you this course content in tomorrow's session.
Okay. Or you can just send us an email, and if you don't mind, whenever we have a class, can you send us an email stating that we have class at this time, because it's like daily one time. I'm just forgetting the time. So if you don't mind, can you send an email?
Yeah,
Sorry.
time from now onwards, timings will go into stable. Whenever I have the off to office, whenever I have the holiday, then the time would be 7 a.m. IST. This is the time. Today it's Sunday for me. So Saturday and Sunday I take 7 a.m. IST. And in working days, I'm going to take 6:15 a.m. IST. These are the only two timings. You don't need to confuse. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Is it possible to join one more session today evening?
I mean, like, yeah, we will join. Rishika, okay,
Morning, I mean, I'm at Pacific time, so at what time do you want us to join?
IST, Indian time.
Are able available at 5 p.m.?
Oh, no, that would be like 3 o'clock for me, 3 or 3:30 maybe.
3 o'clock, early in the morning for us.
Yeah.
6 p.m., 7 p.m. 7 p.m. at least.
Like it's like early. 7 p.m. in the morning, in the evening, right, in India time?
Yeah, 7 ante for me it will be 6:30 or 6, and for you it will be 8:30 or 9. Yeah.
Okay, no issues.
If you want to take a class, it's okay. If you can send me the recorded video, I'll follow up, and if I have any doubts, I'll get back to you.
Okay, actually no issues for me also, but you are also in a hurry to complete, and I am also in a hurry to complete because presently I'm 9th-month pregnant woman. So if my delivery comes, then it would be difficult. So I'm trying to complete at least in 20 days. If I take extra sessions, I can complete it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you are ready, I mean, I think Adi can attend the class because it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. You can send me a recorded video. It will be fine.
8:30 p.m. I have one more session, so I could not able to take.
No, India time 7 p.m. is fine.
7 p.m. is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give the confirmation with ride. Okay.
Okay.
We'll drop in confirmation.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye.